she's born with it. Maybe she's sleep deprived. Hey guys, how's it going? It's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. I can't spin because I'm literally backed up against my background fabric. It's so short that I have to be pretty zoomed in right now. Anywho, welcome. You're all probably wondering, what is that cute shirt, bitch? As some of you may or may not know, I have my own boutique, cadavercult.com. You can find all sorts of cute stuff on there, including some of my merch that I design. And this is my latest one. It says metal makeup in this adorable red kiss print. It's supposed to be hard to read on purpose. It's supposed to kind of look like a band logo. I just think it's really cute. So if you want to grab one yourself, then the link will be down below. I appreciate you guys so much if you do support me, or even if you just watch, if you're subscribed, if you like, if you comment. I really appreciate it so much. But anyway, I wanted to do a monochromatic red makeup look today. I'm really into matching my shirts with my makeup. Really into monochrome makeup right now. So we're gonna do this. I'm gonna show you how to get this really dark, vampy, blown out red eyeshadow with a kind of grungy yesterday's eyeliner kind of vibe. And I'll show you how to get this really pigmented eyeshadow without having to use a shitload of products. So I think it's going to be fun. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Without further ado, let's fucking get into it. Okay, first things first. Wow, you can't even see it. This is NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in Kitten Heels. And honey, if you haven't gotten a little box set of the NYX Liquid Suede minis, like it comes in a shitload of different colors for like 30 or 40 bucks. What are you even doing? Even if you don't like liquid lipsticks or you would never wear them on your lips, they are the perfect eyeshadow base if you just want to get that color going without having to build up a shitload of eyeshadow. You know, let's say you want a red and you don't have that eyeshadow color. Pop this on your lid, honey. All over the lid. Stipple, stipple, stipple. It's so freaking easy. Okay, so what helps is if you actually have the color, the eyeshadow color that you want to use on deck. And so luckily we do. This shade right here, it's like an orangey red. And we're just gonna set right on from the lid to the crease basically. Just make sure that you load up that pigment so that the liquid lipstick can kind of dry and not, you know, move around or crease or anything. Clean brush. Try to buff out the edge up here a little bit. Okay, once you're done blowing out that edge, if necessary, dip back into your bright red eyeshadow and start patting that in the crease. You don't have to make it as blown out as mine is, obviously. Do it however you wish. And then a secret to blending out really pigmented dark colors like this, I like to dip into some no color powder. I hope this brush is clean. Yeah. Dip into the no color powder and use that to blend out the edge even more. Just soften things up. Because sometimes when you go in with a clean brush, you're still moving around the product a little bit. But this way you're setting it, you're blurring it, it's not putting down any color. It's perfect, really. Okay, now we're going to go over how to get this yesterday's eyeliner look. This is a secret weapon, y'all. This product I've used in one other metal makeup video, but this is Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Color in the shade Smoke. Honey, do not be fooled by other brands that make stuff like this. It's all about the formula for this one. It is so creamy, so glidey, so amazing. Just look at how easy this is. I'm gonna carefully pop it towards the outer edge of my lash line. Focusing a little bit more on the outer corner. And then, are you watching? I feel like I'm doing a magic trick or something. Now we're gonna just stipple and flick upwards. Boom. Like, I don't know why, but I find that sometimes the sloppier technique, like the sloppier looks, are harder to achieve. Like, like harder to execute technique wise. And I always wondered, like, how do people get that smoky look where it looks like they slept with their eyeliner on? And, you know, I can never get that. It always, like, looks too perfect or gets too carried away. And I just freaking love this product. It is a little bit, like, sheared out, so we're gonna add some matte black eyeshadow at the very base. So that is it for the upper eyelids. I'm gonna pop my face on, my brows, and I'll be back and we'll complete the rest of this. Okay, I'm back. Actually, I've been here the whole time. You're back. So, curveball. It is 1,000 degrees in my room right now, and my eyelids are sweating. And the liner that's down there is getting up in my crease because I keep looking up at my mirror. So, I'm taking a nice dark, deep, like burgundy blood red right there, and that is just gonna go up in the crease here. So we're just gonna work with the mistake, you know? You don't need to scrap your whole makeup look. If something happens, if you get thrown a curveball, make lemonade, you know, that's how baseball works, right? We're just taking that really dark red and putting it in the crease, and it kind of creates like a nice little shadow. Add some depth, you know? We need to pop some red down on the lower lash line, and sometimes I have issues with my lower lash line, shadows not sticking, not showing up, all that jazz. So we're just gonna do our hack. We're gonna take kitten heels here, and we only need the tiniest bit down here. You can always add more, but you can't take away. And then we need a small blender brush. Bada bing. Probably could have added a little bit more, but let's just play it safe and stick with that. I'm dipping into the orangey red that we used before. Just popping that right on top of the liquid lipstick. Stunning, gorgeous, beautiful. Let's dip into our translucent powder again to blend out the very outer edge of that shadow and let it seamlessly flow into my under eye bags. Maybe she's born with it. Maybe she's sleep deprived. I'm delirious today. Beautiful, stunning, gorgeous. We need some black in the waterline, honey. You can't be sultry, you can't be grungy, and you can't be metal without black in the waterline. You heard it here first. This is Urban Decay's Glide On 24 eye pencil in Black Market. Make sure to go back and forth a few times so that it really builds up and gets in between the lashes a little bit. And then before it dries completely, let's take a teensy brush. I swear I use the same like 3 brushes over and over and over again, but I've got like 8 of these big brush cups full of brushes because I am a brush hoarder. A little smudgeroo here. And then we hit it with the blending brush. Why am I not using my secret weapon caviar eyeshadow stick down here, you may be wondering? Valid question. My under eyes, for some reason, they're like get moist, or I don't know, they drip down. So that eyeshadow stick is beautiful and easy to blend, but it's so creamy and buttery that I think if I put it on my under eyes, it would end up all the way down my face and we'd end up with a corpse paint situation. Alright, lash time. Let's curl those puppies. Pop a little mascara on. Perversion. So one of the things that I absolutely love about these grungy, smoky, super like eyeliner, emo makeup looks is you really could probably get away with not even wearing mascara. You don't need lashes in order for your eyes to look big and sultry and like just smoldering because you've got so much black eyeliner. Oh crap, transferred a little bit. Just gonna let my mascara dry. I'm gonna put my lip on. This is Rimmel Stay Satin liquid lipstick in the shade it's not in the shade Rosetta Liquido, even though it says that. Radical. So like radical but Ooh, bitch. That is the same color as my nails. Wow. Oh. I'm in love with that lip. That is beautiful, but it's not quite matching my eyes, which I'm irritated by. So might have to tweak it, might have to change it. Let me scrape off this little piece of mascara that got on my face. Lashes, honey. These are by Cadabra. They're number 10. Where is my lash glue? Hey, sweetie. Slurpee! I had to turn the AC on because it's really hot. Wow. Did you fill it up or did they?
I did. You think I did?
Okay. Free Slurpee day. Everybody knows that you're supposed to fill it up like all the way to the top and overflowing. I'm gonna drink this whole thing. Okay, wow. You know when I said that you didn't need lashes for this look? I think I was wrong. I think you need lashes for this look. I think you need these lashes for this look, honey. Oh my, these are beautiful. I love how spaced out they are. Oh, bitch. Stop. We need a little eyeliner on the upper inner waterline now. This part's tricky, but it's easier to do when you have fake lashes on. So you're just gonna pop it in. Looks way worse than it feels. And then you know how we wanted to add a little bit of, we need a little darkness on these lips. Okay. Kiss of Death by Wet n Wild. Kind of just slapped that on there and blended it around. I think it looks pretty good. Now, what kind of blush will go good with like a reddy kind of, don't want to go too pink. This cute little palette. You might be like, hey bitch, that's like way too much blush. I like putting on a lot of blush. I just shrugged and my neck cracked. Let's do a pink highlight. This is You Glow Girl by Wet n Wild. Like how I'm only telling you like half of the stuff that I'm using. Oh, I can't highlight my Cupid's bow. That's why I wait until that's why I usually do lips last. So I can highlight the freaking Cupid's bow. Take a sip of my slurp. That sounds weird. What flavor do you guys like? I love blue. A white highlighter, a white pressed highlighter, and that is going to go with the corner of the brush. I use a blending brush like this. It's going to go on the highest point of the cheekbone. Right there. When I see this much red, I just think Christmas time. It's not the vibe that I'm going for right now, so do me a favor and don't think about Christmas time. Unless it is Christmas time when you're watching this. Okay, last thing that we need to think about is, do I want to put a white, like bop a little bit of white in my inner corner? That's usually what I've been doing lately, just to add lightness. It usually looks really cute, so I think I'm gonna try it. If I hate it, I'll just put some red on top of it or something. Gonna lock it all in with some all-nighter setting spray. And there is the finished red, grungy, vampy makeup look. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. I feel like it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. Maybe, yeah, I do like the same kind of thing over and over again where I just match colors, but this is what I like to do. I hope you enjoy watching, and yeah. Let me know what color you want me to do next. Green, blue, purple, pink, grunge. Leave me comments down below. I love hearing from you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.